The world is filled with all sorts of marvelous creatures, each of them having their own special characteristics. But just how unique are these creatures? You'd be amazed at the strange but unique animal species that actually do exist. In this video, we'll be looking at the 10 most unique animals in the world. Keep watching. Number 1. The glowing sea turtle. Turtles have been made popular by the cartoon series The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and while the on-screen characters are all unique, they remain a work of fiction. However, there is a unique turtle species that actually exists, and that's the glowing turtle. Other animals are bioluminescent, but this is the very first glowing reptile man has ever known. It has a shell that glows reddish or greenish, and experts say they glow for the sake of communication or for better visibility. Whatever the reasons are, their unique glow adds a touch of color to the waters that are predominantly bluish. Number 2. Pangolin. Next on our list is the pangolin. If there was ever a cross between an armadillo and an anteater, then this is exactly what it would look like. It is a mammal that has very odd looks and can be found in several parts of Africa and Asia. It is characterized by a long, uniquely adaptive tongue, which it uses to scoop up ants and termites. It also has a very hard keratin shell. Because of its rare and unique nature, it has become a target for animal poachers in the continents where it exists. Its meat and almost bulletproof armor are its major attractions. It is currently listed as an endangered species. Number 3. Diane's bare-hearted glass frog. Speaking of unique, have you ever seen an animal that looks like glass? I guess not. Well, if you're ever in Central or South America, then you may be lucky to see one. The animal in question is the glass frog. It's called the glass frog for obvious reasons. It looks like glass. Seriously, you can actually see the frog's internal organs simply by looking at its underside. These frogs are very tiny, less than an inch actually, so you have to take a really close look to notice its glassy nature. It was first discovered in Costa Rica in 1973, and you can find them in bright green or green and yellow colors. Number 4. Axolotl, aka Mexican walking fish. Wait a minute, fishes don't walk, do they? Well, not if they're the axolotl or the Mexican walking fish. As you would have already guessed, this small salamander species can be found in the waters of Mexico, specifically Mexico City. What's unique about this animal is that it has limbs, which it can regenerate. Its eyes are also very strange, as they have no lids. They come in 2 major colors, albino or black, and they are currently listed as an endangered species. Number 5. The sunfish. No, it isn't called the sunfish because it shines bright like the sun. Its name comes from its occurrence in tropical regions. You can find them in many temperate waters worldwide. So what makes this fish unique? For starters, it is the heaviest bony fish on Earth, with an adult reaching weights of about 2 tons. Looking at the sunfish, you would say it looks like Sloth from the Goonies. Nonetheless, it remains a delicacy in countries like Taiwan, Korea, and Japan. Number 6. The saiga antelope. If you're ever in Russia, Uzbekistan, or Kazakhstan, then you might be fortunate enough to catch a glimpse of the saiga antelope. One of the most unique features of this animal is its very huge and flexible nose. It actually looks like something from a sci-fi movie. However, its large nose has a special function. It helps filter dust and regulate its blood temperature. Around May of 2015, tragedy struck the saiga antelope community, as over 120,000 of them died of a suspected epizootic sickness, which contaminated an entire herd. Number 7. The long-horned orb weaver spider. A lot of people hate spiders. I mean, the regular-looking spiders. I wonder what they would do if they were faced with the long-horned orb weaver spider. I must admit, they look really scary, thanks to having as many as 8 eyes and 2 long horn-like spines shooting out of their bellies. If you thought Spider-Man, the Marvel Comics superhero, was the most unique spider in the world, then think again. You can find the longhorned spider in many Asian forests and fields. Number 8. The gharial crocodile. This isn't your ordinary everyday crocodile. It's the gharial croc. One of the things that makes it unique is its very skinny physique, compared to other croc species of course. There is just one place where you can find them on Earth, and that's India's waterways. Besides being excellent swimmers, they're also expert fishers, thanks to their 110 teeth, yes, 110, which helps them catch fish with ease. Experts estimate that there are about 235 gharials left in the world, which puts them in the league of endangered species. Number 9. Red-lipped batfish. As the old saying goes, you can't put lipstick on a pig. True, but nature can rub some across the lips of a fish. As you may have guessed, this unique fish species has a touch of red across its lips that looks like real makeup. But that's not the only thing that makes this animal unique. It also has a horn, and it has a habit of walking along the ocean floor instead of swimming across. Tourists who have gone snorkeling in the waters of the Galapagos Islands may have seen this rare animal. Number 10. Proboscis monkey. Who remembers Pinocchio the wooden boy, whose nose grew long when he lies? Well, you can call the proboscis a monkey version, all thanks to its really long and large nose. But unlike Pinocchio, its nose remains long all through its life, whether it tells a lie or not. We aren't too sure if the extra large, extra long nose boosts its smelling ability, but we do know that there is no other monkey that looks like it. You can find this rare monkey breed in the Borneo rainforests. There you go. Those are 10 of the most unique animals in the world. If you've come across other unique animals that may not have been mentioned in this video, feel free to tell us about it in the comments section. We're sure the viewers would be eager to know what they are. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with more great content like this. See you next time.